Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today we're going to do a creepy Halloween sign. The first thing I did with the Halloween sign is I created the design. I went on to the Cricut design space, and all of these images were part of the design space, and I just kind of arranged them and sized everything to make this design. And now all I'm going to do is cut it out of the vinyl. So I cut it out of the vinyl. Now I need to weed this. I need to take up this background and try not to get all of the other images up with me. I have my vinyl cut out, and now I'm going to take my transfer tape. Start on one end. Try to get it down straight without wrinkling it too much. So I'm going to burnish this down, and I'll peel the transfer tape up. Now I'm going to apply it to my wood piece that I painted. I'll try to get it on there as straight as I can. And now I'm going to take my burnishing tool and start rubbing it all down. Now I'm going to pull the transfer tape off. And with any luck, leave all the vinyl in place. Now I'm going to make sure I burnish everything down, particularly the edges. Now I'm going to take some more of the black paint that I used before. This is just acrylic paint. And now I'm going to just take my brush and go over everything. And it just needs to be a thin coat, but I'm going to go every direction possible. And this just prevents the next color from bleeding underneath. So if there's any bleed under, it will be the black, and that means it'll prevent the next color, which is going to be orange, from bleeding under if it would have otherwise. So we should have some nice crisp lines for all of these images. Okay, we're going to let this dry. Okay, this is pretty dry, and now I have 3 different oranges in here, and I'm going to kind of mix them up together because none of them seem like just the right orange. Now I'm going to just paint right over everything. Okay, now we're going to let this dry, and it won't have to be completely dry, but we want it pretty darn dry. Okay, I'm going to grab under one of the vinyl, get it started, carefully pull it. Look at those nice crisp lines. Here's the booth sign all finished. Because I'm planning on having this inside, you don't have to put any kind of a protective coat on it. But if I were putting it outside or somewhere where it might get some wear and tear, I would put like a matte finish on there, just a protective coat. But you want it to look worn, which is why I sanded the edges and everything, just so it looks older. So I hope you like it, you guys. I hope you find a little Halloween inspiration from the boo sign. Hope you guys like the creepy Halloween sign. Let me know in the comments below if you use a cutting machine or not, just so that I know, or if it's something that you're interested in getting or just learning more about. So thanks guys, have a happy Halloween. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.